that knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take.
Very special part kasi sila ng buhay namin. Kasi hindi magiging kami, kundi dahil sa kanya. So, ayun lang. Thank you, man. Peace bomb. Ayun.
This adventure.
Good evening. So, hello everyone. Good evening. I'm Sheena. I'm Charm's best friend. Sa mga hindi ko pa kilala dyan, hello. So, ako yung kaninang iyak ng iyak. Dahil iba pala yung feeling talaga. Ala, iba yung feeling, no? Ngayon lang ako nag-attend ng wedding ng best friend ko. Actually, marami kasi akong best friend, pero isa si Charm doon. So, iba pala talaga yung feeling na makita mo pa lang siya na papasok, lahat. Actually, it started na talagang si DJ lang yung favorite ko talaga. Walang choice at siya lang yung one and only. Alam niya yan, na kahit ibang friends ko, itakwil ako because of her. Wala. Siya talaga yung gusto ko for Charm. And for Charm, since college, friends na kami, then naging mas malalim yung friendship namin dito nung nandito na kami sa Dubai. As we all know, napakahirap as an OFW. So, lahat ng struggles, lahat ng happiness, nakita namin yon sa isa't isa. Actually, may hinanda akong speech pero nanginginig ako ngayon, so hindi ko na rin siguro mababasa. Basta masayang-masaya ako para sa kanilang dalawa. At alam nyo, kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang ako. Kahit may secret kami ni DJ, na binuking niya naman pala yung sarili niya, na na-shock ako. So sabi ko, ha? Kala ko ba secret? So yun, nag-secret kami for main. Pero small secret lang naman yun. Anyways, basta mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Thank you, naging part kayo ng buhay ko. Nangangatog talaga ako. Unang-una, hindi talaga ako nag-speak ng ganito. And pangalawa, iba talaga yung feeling. So, alam ko, tinatawanan nyo na ako dyan. Ang tsaka-tsaka ko na. Pero basta mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Nandito lang ako palagi and lahat kami na umattend ng wedding nyo. Congrats! Hindi ko maano. Thank you sa inyong dalawa. Tinanggap niyo ako as family. Si Charm lang talaga yung best friend ko, pero naramdaman ko kay DJ. Sabi nga ni Charm sa speech niya kanina, sa vow niya kanina, si DJ kilala natin because of a good heart. And I certainly agree on that. Sobrang bait ni DJ. Si Charm din mabait. Siya pala yung best friend ko eh. Pero iba talaga, as in, alam nyo ba, pag nag-aaway sila, kinakampihan ko pa si DJ. Kasi sabi ko, par, di ba? Si DJ pa rin ako. At alam niya ni DJ, di ba? Kahit anong mangyari, yon. Andito lang kaming lahat na magsusupport sa inyo. And sana sa lahat ng journey nyo, maging successful and happy kayong dalawa. Basta wag mong hiwalay sa akin si Charm. Yun yung kasunduan natin, di ba? Huwag mo siya ilalayo sa akin. Ayun, thank you sa pagpunta nyo dito and thank you din sa pag-invite nyo sa akin. So, with that, tatapusin ko na kasi hindi ko na talaga mabasa yung speech ko dapat. So, let's raise our wine and let's cheers for the newlywed.
Congratulations and best wishes. So, give it up for the newlyweds. Give it up! Oh my God! Nag-prepare din ako ng speech ko, par, pero hindi ko mailabas. I prepared my... May papel ako. Teka lang, I will compose myself before I turn into, Thank you guys sa inyong lahat. For all of you who came tonight, Thank you. Oh, it's not my wedding, theirs. Alright, so I'd just like to raise this toast for my incredible twin, DJ, and the beautiful bride, Charm. Sino nanood ng Suits? Whoever watched Suits? Whoever. I always find myself watching those series or movies about friendship. I find myself wishing na sana meron akong friend na ganon. Sana meron akong friend na through ups and downs, and then I realize na nagwi-wish ako ng ganon. Pero meron pala akong DJ. Wala akong choice. It's a twin thing. Tingnan mo, may speech ako pero hindi ko mabasa. Madalas, we have our same cravings, same heart. Oy, mabait din ako ah. We have a same heart. She gets sick, I get sick. Totoo yun. It's a twin thing. Yeah. And pareho rin kami ng gusto. And for all of you who doesn't know, crush ko, crush niya. And meron kaming isang crush dati, akala ko ako lang. So, yeah, I just wanna let you know that I don't have a choice. I have a best friend. Not that I don't have a choice, yeah. I don't want to wish na sana meron akong ganong friend. Kasi meron akong kakambal. Napaka-selfless. DJ is a very selfless person. I just want to say I'm so blessed being your twin. And I'm extending my blessing to you, Charm. You've been part of our family. You have been. Ever since na nag-start kayo, you have been a family to us. And so, may your journey together be filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. May you continue to support each other as you embark your beautiful chapter of your lives. Here's to a lifetime, love, and laughter. Cheers, guys.
That delicious cake, you're symbolizing the many sweet moments you'll share in your life together. And remember, a successful marriage is all about sharing, so make sure to share the first bite. Ayan. Let's, give them a big round of applause.
Guys.
I've been vibing with you heavy. Yeah, I'm falling, can you catch me? Dreaming all day and dreaming all night. I could do this the rest of my life. I hit these stages like I'm ready. Cause you my queen, I know you ready to roll with me the rest of your life. Starting tonight. Cause I can't help falling in love with you. Tayo natikutin, digdig sa loob ng salamin, pansamantalang limutin ating kasalukuyan. Kapit ka lang sa akin, liputin natin mga bituin. Huwag ka nang mag-alanganin, dito ka lang at ako'y sabayan. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo, kung saan di magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatakbo. Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo. At uulit-ulitin paborito nating tugtugin, walang sawang aawitin.
We want to thank all of you for all of your efforts and for giving your time today. We have carefully selected all of you to be part of our special day. We are glad that you all made it, and we hope that you are so far enjoying the night. We especially want to thank our family, first of all, Angel and Alfred, who made all the cute, delicious cheese boxes and help out with the souvenirs and errands, and for being our bartender for tonight. Of course, Cads for making all the programs arranged, from the invitation, the flowers, and for being our host. And of course, to RJ for being our host as well, and for helping us out with the music. And also to Sheena, my maid of honor, for the effort na pagluto kami ng dinner last time, and tulungan akong siya pala yung nag-ayos ng hair ko. Thank you guys for everything. We truly appreciate all your help and efforts to make our day so special and memorable. Hindi namin ito magagawa lahat kung wala kayo, and we will treasure this forever. And to all our family and friends,
Yung mga wala dito na nasa ibang bansa, thank you din. Wala na sila, na-disconnect na sila. Sa mga effort ng groomsmen, sa magagandang bridesmaids,
yes,
ang gaganda at ang pupogi niyo po tonight. And to all our guests, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayun, so you guys are amazing. Sa best lang pala kasi ako pinakasali. So, ngayon lang ako nagsuot ng ganito. Kaya, ang ganda nung kulay, ang ganda natin, ang pupogi natin. So, yun. So, once again, thank you so much, guys, sa lahat-lahat.
thank you.
This is really very memorable para sa amin and very special. Kung nandito kayo ngayon, ibig sabihin, may special part kayo sa puso namin.
Yes.
So, thank you.
Thank you.
What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out! Pop, pop, it's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Gone time. Oh, they don't know. Gone time. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Yeah. Designer mix. Yeah. Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up.
Okay, and then hold. Oh.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out.
Oh.
Second verse for the
Hot.
hustlers. Gangsters,
Hold.
bad bitches, and your ugly ass friends. Can I preach? Can I preach? I gotta show them how a pimp get it in. First, take your sip,
One.
do your dip, spend your
Two.
money like money ain't shit.
Three.
Too fresh, got to bring
Four.
it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me.
Hi.
I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything.